Hello everybody, in today's tutorial I will show you how to add Map My Run to Galaxy Watch on your application. First, you have to get the Map My Run application. So you should go to your phone store, either it was a Play Store or App Store, and search for Map My Run application. So all you have to type is Map My Run, and uh, you will have here the Under Armour application. So just install it or download it, and then access to the application, and then they will ask you to log in or to create an account, and just create your account. After that, you should log into the application and you will find yourself in this main menu. Now we have to sync or to attach the Galaxy Watch and connect it with uh, with the application. To do so, we need to go to the settings panel, which are these 3 points here, and then we will have the app and devices panel or settings. If you have an Android, so it will going to detect your Galaxy Watch. And in my case, I have an iOS. So when I'm going to click on the apps and devices, those are the devices that I can connect my watch or my application to. Either I can connect a footwear or Apple Watch or other applications. So you need to search for your Galaxy Watch and you are going to click on it, and automatically the application will do the work for you. All you have is to have everything checked in the permissions, and your watch will be connected with your application. So that's it. Thank you for watching and goodbye.